In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play against yourself on PC and mobile here on chess.com. This is also known as pass and play, and it's super easy to set up. But before we actually get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and head to chess.com and stay on this homepage. And up at the top of your screen, you're going to see two different tabs on here. The first tab is going to be this little learn tab right here. You can go ahead and hover over this. And if you see an option on here for analysis, just go ahead and open it up. And this will open up a chessboard where you can make moves for both white and black. And you can simply take turns moving each side back and forth. But if you don't see the analysis option on here, don't worry. Hit more right here. And then it's going to be in this little train option. So hover over this and then select analysis from this section. Once you open this up, it's going to take you to a tab that looks like this, where you're simply going to just want to, move both these spaces just like so. It really is as simple as that. In the mobile version, it's just labeled new analysis instead. So just keep that in mind. But it really is as simple as that. That is how you can play against yourself here on chess.com using pass and play on both PC and mobile. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.